Guten Tag foodies, ready to transport your taste buds straight to the Swiss Alps? Because today, we're diving headfirst into the heart of Swiss comfort food. We're talking melt-in-your-mouth veal in a decadent, creamy mushroom sauce and paired with the ultimate Swiss side dish, crispy, golden potato, Rosti. Our journey begins with the veal and mushroom sauce. So let's get those 600 grams of veal sliced into strips. Next, season the veal strips with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Dust the veal with roughly 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Flip the veal, season with salt and pepper, and dust the other side with flour. In a hot skillet, over medium-high heat, melt 1 tablespoon of avocado oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. As soon as the butter begins to foam, carefully place the veal in a skillet and brown it quickly on all sides. Once brown, remove the veal and set it aside. Up next, we'll slice approximately 1 cup of Spanish or yellow onion. Return the skillet to medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, and saute the onion until it begins to soften or for a couple of minutes. It's time to add 3 cloves of minced garlic to the onions and cook for about a minute until fragrant. To enhance the meatiness of our dish, let's slice 500 grams of cremini mushrooms. Add the mushrooms to the skillet and cook until they are tender and their juices have evaporated. Next, we'll deglaze the pan with about a half cup of dry white wine. Any dry white wine will work well in this dish. Let the wine reduce for a minute or 2. Return the veal to the skillet and let it warm up through. To give it our signature touch, we add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for that umami boost. To enrich and thicken the sauce, add 1 cup of heavy cream, allowing it to gentle simmer for another couple of minutes. Taste and season with salt and pepper if necessary. To brighten the flavors, squeeze approximately 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice into the dish. Finally, remove the skillet from the heat and garnish with freshly chopped parsley. It is very common in Switzerland to enjoy Rosti alongside veal. Let's begin by peeling and shredding 1.6 kilograms of Yukon Gold potatoes. Next, drain the shredded potatoes by squeezing them over a bowl, removing excess moisture. Then, transfer to a mixing bowl. Season with salt and pepper. To develop a beautifully crisp and golden crust, incorporate 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix thoroughly until all ingredients are evenly combined. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat, then melt 1 tablespoon of avocado oil and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in it. Use enough shredded potato to completely cover the pan. Cook the Rosti until the bottom surface exhibits a caramelized golden brown color, approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Carefully place a plate over the pan. Flip the pan to transfer the Rosti onto the plate. Add another tablespoon of avocado oil and a tablespoon of butter to the pan. Return the Rosti to the pan to brown the other side. Once the bottom has achieved its desired crispiness, the rosti is ready to be enjoyed. We reached the end of our culinary journey to Switzerland. The veal in creamy mushroom sauce offers a tender, savory bites enveloped in a rich, earthy sauce, while the crispy rosti provides a satisfying crunchy, buttery contrast. We hope you're inspired to bring this taste of the Alps into your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our quick, easy, and delicious recipes.